In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to design this premium gift box. So you can use it to package a gift for anybody you like. Even if you are a total beginner, I'm going to walk you through step by step process on how to use Canva to design this gift box. I'm going to show you how to choose your box size and the right measurement. I'm going to show you the page layout you can use, and I'm going to show you how to perfectly choose your fonts and your colors, and how to get these premium design resources and use for your design. All right, let's get started. When you head onto Canva, the first thing you do is for you to go to More. Click on More. Simply search here A3 and choose A3 Landscape. For my box design, I'm going to use the medium size box design. So the actual size for that is 4 inches by 3.5 inches. You can make your gift box to be bigger than my own or to be smaller than my own, depending on what you want to do. So I'm going to design my gift box in centimeters. So 4 inches is about 10.16 centimeters, and then 3.5 inches is about 8.89 centimeters. So let's head to our design interface. You can actually use a portrait A3, or you can use a landscape A3. That doesn't affect your design because you are only simply going to lay the design on the A3. So now what next? We go to our element. So I'm going to choose this. I'm going to choose the square. So now you can select your color from here. Come here, select your color from here. So for me, I'm going to stick with this color. I told you I'm going to work with 10.16 cm, that is approximately 4 inches. So you go to select the object, go to position, come to this place, and then scroll down, and then put here 10.16 and 10.16. The next step you are going to do is for you to duplicate this particular box by clicking here, duplicate, and then take it to the right. All right, so you can select the both of them and shift it a little so that it doesn't interfere. So now this one I'm going to use 3 inches or 3 point. What did I say? For that one, I'm going to use, okay, let's say 3.5 to centimeters is 8.89. So let's go to our design, and then I'll come to position here, and then I will choose 8.89 here. For the width, 8.89. I'll bring it closer and align it very well. The next thing you are going to do from here is for you to design the bleeds whereby this box will be used for folding. So how do you do that? Simply go to tools, come here, come to tools here, and then go to shapes. When you go to shapes, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down till you meet this guy. Can you see? Then select here. All right, so this time around I'm going to use a gray color there for that guy. Okay, now bring this here, push it down. Can you see how simple that is? This area is going to be used for the folding. Okay, that area is going to be used for the folding. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to simply duplicate this. All right, I'm going to select the both of them and I'll group the both of them. Okay, can you see what I'm trying to do? Now let's duplicate this. Let's duplicate that. So I'll right click and duplicate. So then I will take this one to the right. Okay, now I'll duplicate again. I'll take this one to the top. Okay, this time around I'm going to turn it 90 degrees. So simply hover your mouse here and then turn it 90 degrees. Okay, did you notice that? Now, all right, the same thing is applicable to this. I'm going to duplicate this, right click and click duplicate, and then bring it down. This time around I'm going to turn it. Okay, okay, this is almost minus 90 degrees. Okay, wow, so we are almost there. But for this one, you are going to turn this one down. This is beautiful. So this is 180 degrees. So you turn this one down, make sure you align it very well. So now let's group everything. Let's group everything and put it to the center of the page. All right. All right, there's something I didn't group there, so I group it again. I go again, click this, click this, click this, click this, click this, and then centralize it to the page. All right, so we're almost getting there. So the next thing you are going to do, make sure your design aligns very well so it doesn't shift. Okay, wow, now this is perfect. For all of these design resources, you can simply go to pinterest.com. Pinterest.com. I will leave the link to this website in the description of this video so you can check that later. So you can use that to download all of these resources, all of these resources. So let me choose any of these resources. So if I love, I can go with this, right? I can go with this. I can go with this. I'll simply Control V and paste that. So now the next thing is for me to adjust this. I'll adjust this to the middle, and then if I need something else, I can go to, now you see this place is empty, this place is empty, and this place is empty. So what do? Go to Canva elements, then you can choose this. So let's go with this. I'll go with this. So I'll choose white, come to color, choose white so that it will show very well. So let's go with white, select this again, and then select white. So the both of them shows. So I will bring this one and then okay, and then what again? I'll duplicate that again. Don't forget that this is the body. This is the body of the gift box. So what about the cover of this gift box? Don't worry, that particular aspect is not hard to do. So what we are going to do here, we are simply going to select all of this. We are simply going to select all of this. We right click and copy. That means we copy the whole of that and then come down, scroll down, add a page. Now when you add a page, you paste what you just copied. Paste what you just copied by pressing Ctrl V on the keyboard. Okay, now this time around, I'm going to delete the whole of this. I'm going to delete, or if case may be, I may allow them. Okay, but we don't need this again. We don't need this. We don't need this, and we don't need this. So basically, all that you have to do is for you to adjust this. Okay, just adjust this and then adjust this and then adjust this. Do the same thing to all of them and then adjust this. Now, the idea here is that this particular section. Let me indicate with a color so you understand what I mean. This particular section is the top of the gift box. The black section, I will change the color to red later. The black section is the top of the gift box, and then this side is these red sections are the side of the cover. Okay, the side of the cover. This is the top. This is the top of the gift box, which is on the cover. And here, let's go to this other design. This black section also is black. Let me go back. I wanted to indicate with a color. Okay, the selected area is the base of the gift box, and these red sections, okay, this selected area is a side, the main side of the gift box. So I have done a tutorial on this exact tutorial on how to use CorelDRAW to do this kind of design. So if you're a CorelDRAW fan, I'm going to leave the link to that tutorial in the description of this video so you can check that later. If you want to print it and take it for coupling, so what you do is I'll prefer you click on share. When you click on share, what you have to do is for you to click on download, and then I would love you to select, go to PDF standard or PDF print. So select PDF print if, since you want to print this and take it for coupling. So you choose PDF print. So I'll choose my PDF print, and then what pages are my design? Page 2 and page 3 are my designs. So I'm going to click on download and then select the number of pages that I want. So I will select page 2 and I will select page 3. Okay, done. And then I will select PDF print, and then after that I will click on download. I'll click on download. Okay, after exporting this via PDF, simply copy this work and then go to printing press. You don't need to own a printer to do this. Go to a printing press and then use direct image machine to print this out. And then still in that printing press, you see somebody who can couple this box for you, and they will do a perfect job for you. You don't need to know how to couple it, but if you want me to show you how to couple this back on your own so you can save cost, let me know in the comment section. Just write in the comment section, show me how to couple this gift box, and I will do justice to that. Thank you. If this video is of value to you, I would like you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would love to tell you that if you want to see how I made this design using CorelDRAW, you should check this particular video. Thank you. See you in this video.